Welcome back to NKUSA Car, and today, we're diving into one of the most iconic American muscle cars of all time, the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro SS. This isn't just a refresh, it's a bold evolution. From design to performance, the Camaro SS continues to push the limits of what a true performance coupe should be. Let's start with that exterior. Because wow, Chevy did not hold back this year. The 2025 Camaro SS still holds its aggressive stance, but now looks sharper, more sculpted, and far more futuristic than its predecessors. The front fascia has been redesigned with slimmer LED headlights that cut into the corners like a blade, and a blacked-out grille that stretches wider for a more menacing look. There is a subtle but noticeable hood vent that's not just for style. It helps keep that V8 breathing under pressure. From the side, you'll notice a slightly lower and wider profile. The body lines are more fluid now, and there's a stronger emphasis on aerodynamics. You've got your classic muscle car proportions, but the 20-inch forged wheels and lower rocker panels make it feel planted and aggressive. Around back, the taillights have been updated with a smoked-out finish, and there's a quad-tip exhaust setup that lets everyone know this isn't just a Camaro. This is the SS. It's muscular, bold, and completely unapologetic. Now sliding into the interior, this is where Chevy has made some serious improvements. The 2025 Camaro SS comes with a redesigned cabin that feels more refined and focused. Gone is the somewhat outdated layout now. You're greeted with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a new 11-inch infotainment touchscreen, angled slightly toward the driver. Everything feels high-tech, but still performance-oriented. The materials are a step up too. You're getting more soft-touch surfaces, suede inserts, and carbon fiber trim if you opt for the higher performance packages. The SS badging is subtly placed throughout the cabin, and the bolstered leather sport seats hug you just right whether you're carving through corners or just cruising the highway. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are wireless now, and there's a premium Bose sound system that can definitely hold its own against the roar of the engine though, let's be honest. Most of us would rather hear that exhaust. Speaking of which, let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Camaro SS continues to bring the heat with a 6.2-liter LT1 V8 engine, delivering a brutal 455 horsepower and 455 pound-feet of torque. You can choose between a 6-speed manual for the purists or a lightning-quick 10-speed automatic, 0 to 60, just around 4 seconds flat, and even quicker if you've got the performance package. Handling is sharp, responsive, and confidence is. With magnetic ride control, the suspension adjusts in real time to road conditions, giving you a balance between comfort and corner carving capability. Brembo brakes are standard, and let's not forget launch control, line lock, and a dual mode exhaust that actually changes its sound based on your drive mode. This car isn't just fast in a straight line, it wants to dance on the back roads. But when it comes to price, the 2025 Camaro SS starts at around $47,000. But expect to pay closer to $55,000 or more if you want all the bells and whistles like the 1LE track package, upgraded interior materials, and advanced driver assistance tech. Still, compared to what you're getting, it's one of the best performance values on the market today. So, there you have it. The 2025 Chevrolet Camaro SS isn't just holding on to its muscle car legacy, it's refining it, updating it, and proving that raw power and modern design can absolutely live side by side. Whether you're a die-hard Chevy fan or just looking for something that gives you a real thrill every time you hit the gas, the Camaro SS should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching NKUSA Car. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what car you want me to review next.